Thank you very much, sir. The Honorable Governor, as usual, has given us a very strong message of encouragement as well as opportunities. I still remember the last time when he was there for the annual Technology Day. He challenged the industry to look at security in a very poignant fashion, not because it's a necessity, but also it's a great business opportunity. Today, again, he spoke about the challenges that security come through because of the social media, the cloud enterprises, as well as the IPv6 leading to IoT. The security is going to be a major challenge going forward, and while it's a threat to the country, the society, and the individual, it's also a major, major business challenge. Honorable Governor also spoke about the social impact that can be created through technology on the healthcare segment. And it's a reality today that there are quite a few IT startups who are working in healthcare enablement through technology to reduce the cost of healthcare for the end patient. And the reality today is that a lot of us in the IT industry do realize that social impact is no more just a nice thing to do, but social impact can also be a very good business opportunity out there. That's where the whole opportunity lies in terms of doing what we're doing. And the last couple of days has been wonderful for some of us out here, and the event has happened yesterday and today because of the contribution of multiple stakeholders within HYSIA as well as outside of HYSIA. Yesterday's Design Summit was bringing together creating a platform, bringing together multiple stakeholders from not just the IT community, but from different verticals and different segments of society to come together. And there was a lot of volunteers, a lot of individual organizations who came together, and you can see a ton of them out there on the, along the stage itself, the names, who came together, worked very hard behind the scenes over the last many, many days to ensure that the program went off very well yesterday. Today, again, the conference went off very well, courtesy multiple managing committee members and various volunteers coming together and working together. Like Ranga said earlier, we had 140 startup companies and various established companies who went through the whole product awards and jury. And I'm sure some of you would appreciate the whole process, the rigor, and the jury have been quite tough. And yet, it's been a very enriching experience for many of you people who made it to the finalists, and some of you not made, but I talked to a few people and said the process of going through the jury reviews has been very, very impressive and very, very interesting, and a lot of feedback to all of you. Again, thanks for all of you to go through the whole rigor and going with the product awards for us. The service awards, again, has been very, very good. We've been doing it for more than 20 years today. And finally, the event of this nature can only happen because somebody underwrites it. And there's no other way the event of this nature can happen. So we're very thankful from HYSIA's perspective, both to the state government, IT&C department specifically, TASK specifically, as well as to the multiple member companies who have supported in kind and through monetary aspect as well. And media, of course, is a major, major powerful tool, not just social media, but the print media and television media as well, because they are the ones who carry the word of what's happening out here, the good work, and then bring in more people into the forum to understand and leverage the body of knowledge and the opportunities out there. The overall environment right now, you heard multiple speakers speak through the day, is that extremely, if you just been looking at the news over the last 2 months, you would realize the amount of investment money that's going into startups. This is probably one of the best times in the last 10 years, and maybe for the next 5 years, to be in a startup mode, to be raising money, to be able to exit as well as what we talked about in the past. So great opportunity for all the startups, and great opportunity for people who want to get into startups. So congratulations to all of us. Another great year for HYSIA, another great year.